Welcome to the Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart for January 15th, 2017. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our Bull Bear Point and Figure ratio at 1.84 fell from 2.01 last week, remaining in bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 3% to 3,156. The count of bearish stocks increased 3%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 6%. The Sand to Pearls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 9 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To subscribe to the weekly Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary via email free of charge, simply enter your email address in the space provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 16 points for the second decline in 10 weeks. At a positive 346 points, it continues above the November 2014 and March 2015 tops, continues below the December 2016, May 2016, March 2015, and November 2014 tops above plus 100, and it continues above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 3 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. At Tuesday 1-3 close, the CCI 20 daily formed a zero-line reject long entry signal within the plus or minus 50 range. At a positive 164.23, down from a positive 186.83 1 week ago, the CCI 20 continues above plus 100, our threshold for remaining in the trade. We will continue to monitor this trade simulation in next week's commentary. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below 0 are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 37 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 8 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly has risen to a positive 169.48 from a positive 156.70 last week. We await the return of the CCI 20 weekly to the plus or minus 50 range for another trade. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and 3 of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: gold and silver, brokers, retail, and some tech on top. Oil, REITs, and some tech on the bottom. Bullish, brokers continues in the top 5. S&P retail and comp tech have entered the top 5. Disk drives and semis have left the bottom 5. Oil has entered the bottom 5. Bearish, gold and silver continues to lead the top 5. REITs has left the top 5 and entered the bottom 5. Networkers has entered the bottom 5. Focus this week from Greg Hunter's YouTube channel, Clif High 2017 Predictions on Everything. We feature a very interesting year-end forecasting video published on December 31st, 2016. Internet data mining expert Clif High calls what he does, quote, predictive linguistics, end quote, to mine the internet and collects billions of data points to produce forecasts of the future. High has predictions on Trump, gold, silver, housing, stocks, bonds, the dollar, interest rates, and even new discoveries that will change the world that are coming out of Antarctica. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary video, which features the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, congratulating you on a new president being inaugurated this coming Friday, and wishing you, as always, true success.